In 1851, American inventor and entrepreneur Isaac Singer is granted a patent for his sewing machine. Singer greatly enhances the sewing machine's functionality and reliability. His design improves upon previous efforts by utilizing an overhanging arm that holds the needle bar over a horizontal table. This makes it possible to sew on any part of the work and allows continuous and curved stitching. Singer's design also includes a presser foot, which enables the machine to sew up to 900 stitches per minute, much faster than a skilled seamstress who could only do about 40. His innovations not only make sewing machines more accessible and affordable, but also revolutionize garment production, enabling mass production of clothing and contributing significantly to the industrialization of the textile industry. His work lays the foundation for modern sewing technology and establishes him as a key figure in the history of engineering and manufacturing.